Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an in the post catch up. This is in the post number 6. I have several things that I need to show. First one is this one here, the Tooth Fairy. If I just widen the angle a little bit, there we go. The Tooth Fairy coin. I'm not sure if I actually showed this on in the post 5 or not. I bought a second Tooth Fairy coin. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do with it. One of my first thoughts was that I'll give it away as when I got to 100 subs. I'm still a little way off that yet, so it might go in that, or it may be that I do a Christmas giveaway or something along those lines. So that's bought in preparation that it will be probably a giveaway. Not 100% sure, but possibly a giveaway in the near future. The second coin is this one here. It's one of the £5 signature series of Her Majesty the Queen. Let me just get that a little bit more. There we go. We have here one of the first of 3 £5 coins that are coming out this year with Her Majesty's signature on it, and this one is for the honours system. I'm not 100% sure what the other two are, but this shows the signature with several awards, including the Victoria Cross, the George Cross, I'm not sure what the other ones are. I'm not 100% sure what the other ones are. I think one may be, one, let's put one on the end here, is either an MBE or OBE. It could be a CBE, I suppose. What these two end ones are, I'm not sure. On the reverse you have the JC £5 coin with the JC portrait, 5th portrait. I will be doing a full review of this coin in a later video. I've got a £5 for a £5 face value coin. I do have this one already, so I don't know whether this will go into my collection ready for possible giveaways. I'm not 100% sure, but it cost me £5. It's a Jersey 100th anniversary of the Royal British Legion. I will be doing a full review on this one at a later date. I'm just basically showing you what I've got. Along with the £5 coin, I've got an extra Roger Bannister. That will go into my collection. I do have a huge collection of these cards, and I will be doing a separate video on the ones I have for swaps for people who need cards for that section. Next one is, I do have the plain bunk blue card of this Pride coin, but this is the coloured version, and I'll be doing a review of both of them shortly. Next one is a big old, I'll need to come right out for this one, zoom right out. Oh, sorry about that, my camera decided to shut off. Possibly my fault. This is a continuation of the Wildlife series, and this one is the Bird of Prey. Again, I'll be showing this one off at a later date in all of its glory, and I'll be giving you some information about the 2 sets that are remaining for this year, or are slated to be released this year. And finally, in this first inner post that I'll be recording today, we have the Antarctic Explorers, and this one is the first one in the series, I think, of 4 coins. The second one has been released. Again, I'll be doing them as a standalone video. We then have, whoops, if I can get both of them together, we have the second and third coins in the series. Let me just bring that in just a little bit. Second and third in the series of the Jubilee coins from territories and dependencies. I will be doing a separate video on those as well. Well, that covers in the post number 6. I hope you've enjoyed it and that you will enjoy the longer reviews that I do on these particular coins that have been shown. In the meantime, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. Also, I am trying to grow my channel. I'm in the mid-80s now, so I'm just 16 off reaching that magical 100. If you've enjoyed this particular video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would be delighted if you would subscribe and join me on the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles, and of course militaria. So if you're having a hunt, hope you have a successful one, you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Thank you for staying for the whole of the video, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far down the line in the not too distant future, from me, ta-ra now, bye bye.